My name is Kate Seeley, and I am the event manager for the Melges 20, Melges 32, and Melges 40 fleets here in Europe. Right now we are in Šibeniku for the Melges 32 European Championships. Last week we had the Melges 20 European Championships here, and it was a great week. Great venue, lots of wind, and everyone loved it. This week we just finished the first race day. Not as much wind, but still beautiful. The boats loved it. We completed 2 races with the Italian boat, Torpioni, is in the lead currently. This is our first time ever sailing the Melges 32 fleet in Croatia, and we are loving it. The water is beautiful, the land's beautiful, the islands are amazing, and D-Marin, Mandolina, is fabulous. Everyone here is very friendly, welcoming, great to work with. The facilities are top of the line, beautiful, and they've worked with us really well to collaborate to make a great event. So we love it here, and we hope to come back in the future to race again.